There we go. I like Micro Magics. I think they're really good little sailboats. I built a couple of them. Built that one, traded it to Larry. That's a Chinese Micro Magic. That was when Graupner folded the first time, they put all their production to China. And I think the Chinese boats, the instructions weren't that great, but I already had some instructions for one of the original boats. But it turned out well. It sails good. So it's the 2014 version 2. Huh? Racing Micro Magic with Mark 1 sail. It sails good. And Larry did a little touching up on it, got it cleaned up. It's a pretty boat. And there goes the vacuum tug. The venerable vacuum tug is out here tugging around. God, he's had that thing forever. How long you had that boat?
This one here?
Yeah.
It's been about 8 years.
God.
These original stuff, I think because I can run a light on it.
I'm really starting to believe that if we had some sort of apocalypse and people from another planet came and started doing archaeological research, they'll find this.
They'll find that.
She's a nice boat. Stock motor, 3,000 milliamp, nickel metal high drive, and he'll run this thing for hours. Hours like that. Good, simple little boat. If vacuum boat ever gets back online, like he says he is, he's been down, I think he's been sick or had to have surgery, but if he comes back online, I'm telling you, you can get one of those, you can doll it up anyway, or keep it as plain, or hell, not even paint it. Whatever you want to do with it. And they make fine little tugs. Fine little tugs. There's some trash along the side here, see it? There's a little trash right there. Yeah. Big old branch and leaves and crap. I love the size of this lake, but I think, in my opinion, Josey Ranch stays cleaner. What happened?
I got it back. Never mind. Wrong switch.
Oh, what are you doing, Skimmy? Hey, whenever this next little run of sprinkles goes away, I'm gonna put that back in put the Grimmer Storm back in the water. And if you would, just get me some video for it.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
I'll try not to record my thumb or never did record this time.
Yeah, the boats don't care if they get wet. I'm more worried about my transmitter. It's ready to go. It's already running.
It's already running? All right, let me get this video real quick here. It's got some chutzpah. Ain't that right? Oh, here we go. Here we go. We got to make our video for the YouTube and the Facebook group, and use Cash's Grimmer Shoring.
Things like this hard to read. That's it.
You can open it up.
Good. Guy out there is good people for it. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. That wouldn't have turned out well.
No. Let me give it a flyby real quick here. Handles chopped pretty good too.
Oh, here we go.
Is that a buzzard over there bothering the geese?
What's the range on these things?
With a good operating radio, as far as you can see, and then beyond.
Somewhat less over water, though.
Yeah, yeah. Unless it's an FM, the old FM ones will you'll go, but these are all digital.
FM stuff.
Yeah, these are all digital now, so they just
2.4.
Yeah, we got a lot of those gas powered back when we were running
There we go.
trail bikes.
uh-huh.
They,
There we go. Now we're done. I understand how they'll
like
wait.
gas powered race cars.
Oh yeah. How do they still race those out there? Indie World in Garland?
I don't know if Indy still does gas powered or not, or I think Wild Bill's races, I think it's all right.
They're like the little remote controlled gas powered.
Yeah.
But I actually, there's this airsoft place that they're putting into the, what's the place that's like right outside McKinney? They have like the event center.
Yeah.
It's like the place where Cabela's is.
Yeah.
What,
Yeah,
Allen?
Yeah, and Allen over there.
Yeah, they have that new airsoft place they're putting in there. They have all these
I'm in the
airsoft-
middle, y'all.
Most of their guns are powered by green gas.
Oh really?
What? Green gas. So it's like they actually have the slide back airsoft guns.
Okay. It's not CO2, is it? It's the CO2 or is it?
It's like CO2, but it's like actual
Go
gas.
inside.
Whoa, that was close.
I will buy a gun for the express purpose of putting a hole in it. Okay?
Ramming speed.
I think that's what I did.
I got that on video too.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like a 3mm cut. That's a thick hole.
That's what. Yeah.
Yeah.
See, guy, he looks like he got some tilt going on there.
Oh yeah? Back at you. Oh what? You dead?
Cash. Oh, there he goes. He's got it. And gonna do some saving.
I don't think 2.4 sometimes. I don't know. It might be we're not running our antennas right.
Maybe.
I remember I had no problem on 75 megahertz running something way the hell out there. You know.
Well, you know that 2.4 water is one of the resonant frequencies of 2.4.
Yeah, I know.
Really?
That's why it's used for Wi-Fi and stuff like that, because it's limited range, because the moisture in the atmosphere stops it. And it's also one of the reasons that that's one of the frequencies used for microwave ovens.
That's all.
Huh. So I guess that's why when it rains or storms come in, you lose your signal and everything.
If you want to take some more video, then I'm going to go get my bait for a little bit. Or you can do what you want.
Oh, here you go. Let me hold your phone.
Hands aren't on the stick, so don't run me over.
Let me see your phone again, man.
Huh?
Let me see your phone.
Oh, you got it. What your phone?
That's all right. She's going to float for a little while.
I'll bring her around here. Okay, so now I'm about to run over somebody. Give a blast on the horn.
Remember, I can do two things at once.
Get away!
I'll catch you up at the pass.
For once, I've got the biggest damn boat on the lake.
Ah, missed.
Get away! Hey, Tomo! Hey, Tomo!
I almost had you
I'm
that
warning
time,
you.
man.
Whenever I went to Antigua one time,
This thing actually handles pretty good.
and
For size.
it was crazy because whenever we went jet skiing,
Yeah.
we're just like, and there was three of us, so my friend, my
Are you gonna try
dad,
to push me in the board now?
and so you know,
Go ahead. Have your fun.
we're
Go
going
ahead.
over each other's
That's the rubber.
waves.
It's not making you work, ain't it?
It is making me work.
Hey, he's a tug. That's
Yeah. All right, watch your beam there. Antigua.
All right. What am I doing? Wrong switch.
The captain had too much Portofino.
Turn my phone back.
There you go.
Hang on. Whoever didn't show up today, you boys are missing a good day.
Yep.
All right. That's all right.
We ain't melting.
We ain't melting. I might be made of sugar because I'm sweet, but I'm still not melting. That's a good. That old boat of Tony's. That thing just runs so damn good. Look at that. Hey Tony, what are you running for power? Hang on. Talk to the phone. Brushless? What outrunner? I mean, what battery? What battery?
Oh, it's 7.4 LiPo.
How much? Big one? 4,000? Big. I was wondering why because you're out here running for quite a while and it's not slowing down.
That's 5,200.
5,200?
Oh, it'll run a long time on that motor.
That's
That motor is like a 24, 26 turn.
good. That'll do it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. He's trying to push me again. Did you see that crap? Good Lord. Get off me! God. All right. That's it. I'm putting deck guns on that sucker. We're done. This is Admiral Hargett getting pushed out to sea by a rogue towboat. Signing off.